Okay, now we've established that the assessment for management hospitality 104 is wrong. It's in the 5-point scale. So we need to make a new one. And the way we make a new assessment is you go add assessment, and then you enter the assessment name, which I'm gonna start calling something reasonable. So I'm gonna call this. What was this class called? Crud.
The name of the class or the number?
So I'm gonna take this thing, which is the name of the course in as far as Datatel is concerned.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
And I'm gonna make my new assessment. I'm gonna make it the name in Datatel 3-point assessment. And then in the description, because just rewriting that in the name is not, or just rewriting the name of the assessment in here isn't helpful, I'm going to write updated 12/11/2018. And then an assessment, you need a, I think it's this one. Alright, so we made it a course ending review of overall student achievement, and we have a 3-point thing, and it's activity oriented outcomes. I think it's outcomes oriented, and we found out last year that you don't care about the rubric view. The scorecard view is the only reasonable one. And then we have 3. How many SLOs does this class have? 2. 2. So this class has 2 SLOs. And then we're going to hit generate rubric. And then it's going to bring down some SLOs. And then you have to actually link these to the course. So I'm looking for course 104. And I'm doing first thing, which is demonstrate knowledge of legal issues. And second thing, regulatory agencies. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, and now it doesn't show up at the top. It, of course, shows up on the bottom of the second page. Because, duh, why would it show up at the top? So then, because that other one was planned for spring, or for fall 2018, we have to go unplan it and then push the other assessment. P.S. You can't do this if somebody already put data in it.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that we made our new assessment, I went into the organizational management and the organization, and yeah, you still have to make sure the pull down's in the right area. And I'm looking for 104. Do not, whatever you do, hit this and hit remove. That, as far as I can tell, will remove the class, which is not what you want to take out. Right? What you want to do is hit the scorecard. It turns out that it's not over there at all. It's in SLOs and assessments, and then I clicked on the, let's see. So in my assessment library, I see that it's still planned in spite of me deleting it the other way. So you hit edit plan, and then you're in fall 2018, which is the time I'm in, and then if you hover here, you can delete this assessment. And deletes. And then if we hit refresh, we should see no assessment planned. And if we go back into the assessment library, we'll see that we're no longer planning that assessment for fall 2018. If you do that with a term that's not right, you will remove the data that you collected in that other term.
Right, okay.
Which is, I don't know. It's something. It might be bad. Who knows? Right. So then if you want to push the assessment of our new 3-point scale, you go in here, find your new assessment, and you hit plan. And then there's this incredibly bizarre, you need to pick up the plan and drag and drop it. And then hit all sections and Let's see. And we don't need to send notifications for this one because Don's sitting right here. So then hit confirm. And then we hit refresh, and hopefully we see 2 sections by Marcus, both of which now have an assessment. And if I go into org management, hopefully we can confirm that there are 3-point scales. Yes! Victory!